All you're doing is putting all your confluence on, well, what is the highest probability? The reason we're going down daily, 4 hour, 30 minute is because when you open up your chart and when you actually want to place your trade, you don't want to place your trade on a daily or place your trade on a 4 hour because you're going to be holding on that trade for 4 hours before it gets into profit because you're on 4 hour candlesticks. So you drop it down to 30 minutes, but you have to know your segments so you can know, where am I at? Am I buying in this market or am I selling in this market? It's 50-50. All you're doing is putting all your confluence on, well, what is the highest probability? Am I buying or selling? Obviously, we are buying. So that's why this is what you do every single day, every morning. This is what I do. Once I open up any of my charts, I have my daily 4 hour, 30 minutes, and then I have my 15. 15 is where you could take an entry, but it's not like this is just like, boom, this is where I'm placing my trade and I'm gonna let it get up into my profit and I can hold it. I would rather be at the 15 mark and just place my trade, but that's just for entry. I just want 15 minutes so I'm not losing as much money. Because if I place my trade at the 15-minute mark, then when the price goes up and down and then it shoots into profit, I want to take the least amount of hit when it's doing its, up and down. I don't want it to, blow me out the water, because I'd rather sit for 15 minutes and know, am I going to go in profit, rather than sit in 4 hours or an hour of doing this. Because that's hours of this going on, or 4 hours of this going on, let alone don't do the daily of this going on. So in 15 minutes, I want to know, what are we doing? So that's why the 15-minute mark is the lowest I go to. Anything under that, you'll get chopped up in the markets and you're not knowing what's going on.